Hello viewers, I am going to show you now how to fix CapCut internet connection problem. Okay, let's start. Now click on CapCut apps. Follow my screen instruction and all step properly. That's the problem, so let's fix it. Now click on your device settings. Then click on apps and click on app management. Then search on CapCut apps. Clear data and cache and allow all permission. Now go to your Play Store and check Update CapCut. By doing this process, you can successfully solve your problem. Thank you.